What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here at this little park here, and I'm out here with my pet bluebird, guys. This here is the go-go bird. Check it out. And this is an ornithopter. So I guess my first flight of an ornithopter on the channel. The go-go bird. Go-go gadget bird. This thing does fly. I have flown it out in front of my house before, but that was actually a different one. The same model, but I had another one. I have two of them. My kids got to the other one. It's actually not broken, but I just ordered another one because the transmitter had a mishap. I had a mishap with the transmitter. The transmitter fell and this button here broke. And so I had to order a new one. This button here controls the flapping of the wings. And so pretty unique, this little guy. It's a one-handed controller type of thing. You just use this one little controller. And it's not what you think. This thing here controls the flapping of the wings, and it makes the wings stop and start. When you press it once, it'll start flapping. You stop it, it'll just glide down, and you can start it back up again mid-flight. Pretty cool to do that. That's one of the things I like to do with it. And you steer it with this here, left and right. Up makes it go faster, and down makes it slow down. I haven't been having a lot of success with slowing it down to a hover, but it does seem like pulling back on it stops the speed a little, slows it down a little. And so enough talk about this guy. Let's get him up in the air because it's kind of cold out here and the battery is pretty small. See if we can see the battery. We're upside down with it, but it's a 3.7 volt 100 milliamp hour 1S, and it's a lithium ion battery, no LiPo. So it'll probably have more power with the LiPo, and so I might experiment with that. I think I do have a LiPo that'll fit in there. One motor there to control the flapping of the wings, and we have a little magnet contraption back here which controls the turning, that little thing there, the aileron, the yaw. But let's get this guy up in the air. Oh, before we do, it has a few buttons right here. These buttons kind of park it in the air, so that's pretty cool. You can hit this button and it'll constantly circle, try to stay in one spot. But if you have a breeze going like we have today, I don't think it's going to work. We have a figure eight there, we have an oval, and I guess this one makes it circle in the other direction. But let's get him up in the air. He's getting restless. He's jumping on the floor, on the ground and everything. So there's a button on the bottom. You press and hold to turn it on. Let's try that. Lights are supposed to turn on and flash once you turn it on. Okay, there we go there. A single press turns it on, but you have to hold the transmitter to turn it on. Up and down, and I think it's bound now. Light is green. So let's try to take off with it. Oh, I got it to a hover. Uh-oh, gotta stop the wings. It was going up. So let's try it again. I don't think it can take off the ground, especially with all these leaves and all. Let's get away from the trees. See if we can get this guy going. Yeah, it's a little wind is fighting out here. So I am in control of it. Check it out. Seems like it's trying to go up though. Bringing it back. Check it out, gliding. He's flapping away, man. Flapping and flapping. So I'm actually pushing forward, and it's not going fast forward. The wind has it going up in the air. Turning, coming back towards us in the glide. This thing is pretty cool, guys. Get some height with it. Glide back down. Let's try to bring it back over here. Dive. So the wind has me doing a lot of diving because the wind is pushing the front of it up, it seems like, and making it climb. I wish there was a throttle on the wings and all, so you can control the speed of the flapping of the wings. And that would be awesome, because then you can climb and get lower when you want. Check them out. The wind's taking him now, guys. He's flapping away. Trying to get back over here. Oh, gotta bring him down. And he's in the middle of the street, guys. Hopefully your car doesn't run it over. Whoa. A save. Okay. That's my exercise for the day. I think the breeze out here is too strong for it. But let's give it one more go. Yeah, the breeze is a little too strong for it. Try to turn it back around. Steer it. You can actually steer it when it's gliding. Oh, went too low with it. So pretty cool little toy here. The Go-Go Bird Ornithopter. A little different from a quad. You don't have as much authority and control in the air, but it does work. Oh, you dove too deep. The Go-Go Bird Ornithopter. Thanks for watching. Oh, couldn't get it back up. blinking red. That means the battery's dying. Bring them back around. Hold up, little bird. Oh, he went down. That was the end of the battery. Thanks for watching.